Hey there! Frustrated because your LG TV keeps turning on and off? You're not alone. Experiencing a TV that won't stay powered on can be annoying. But don't worry. In this guide, we'll dive into several steps to solve the problem and get your LG TV back in working order. Whether it's a power issue or something else, we've got you covered with practical solutions. Step 1. Check power connections. First things first, ensure all your power connections are secure. Loose or faulty power cords can often be the culprit behind your TV switching on and off unexpectedly. Examine the power cord, check for any visible damage, and make sure it's firmly connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. If possible, test the TV with another power outlet to rule out issues with the socket itself. Step 2. Inspect remote control and power button. Sometimes a stuck power button or a malfunctioning remote can cause your TV to behave erratically. Remove the batteries from your remote control to see if the problem persists. If the TV stops turning on and off, you might need to replace the remote or its batteries. Additionally, check the physical power button on the TV for any signs of being stuck or damaged. Step 3. Disable HDMI CEC feature. This feature might cause your TV to turn on or off without your input, especially if other devices are connected. Navigate to your TV's settings menu and look for the HDMI CEC or SimpLink option. Disable it to see if that resolves the issue. Step 4. Check for software updates. Outdated software can lead to performance issues, including spontaneous powering on and off. Make sure your TV's firmware is up to date by checking for software updates. Go to the Settings menu, select All Settings, and then choose About this TV. Follow the instructions to download and install any available updates. Step 5. Reset the TV to factory settings. If none of the previous steps resolve the problem, resetting your TV to factory settings might be the way to go. Keep in mind that this will erase all your settings and return the TV to its original configuration. To perform a factory reset, access the Settings menu. Select All Settings, General, then Reset to Initial Settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Step 6. Consult LG support. If all else fails, it might be time to reach out to LG support for professional assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your TV model or advise on potential repairs if necessary. Experiencing the frustration of an LG TV that keeps turning on and off can be daunting, but with these steps, you're well on your way to identifying and resolving the issue. From checking power connections and inspecting the remote control, to updating software and reaching out for professional help, these solutions should guide you back to enjoying uninterrupted viewing. Remember, prioritizing safety when handling electrical devices is paramount. Follow each step carefully, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional support if needed. With a bit of patience and this guide, you'll get your LG TV back to operating smoothly. Happy viewing!